Introducing Levi's life. The biblical baby named Levi is Hebrew in origin and its meaning is united, joined, and adhered. Levi is pronounced as Levi. Levi is the name of three men in the Bible. Levi was the third son of Jacob and Leah. He was the founder of the Levite tribe, which served the priestly role for all the other tribes of Israel. Levi and his brother Simeon destroyed the city of Shechem and killed its inhabitants in revenge for the rape of their sister Dinah. Levi has three sons, Gerson, Kohath, and Merari. Levi was the son of Melchi. He was one of the ancestors of Jesus Christ. Levi was the son of Simeon. He was one of the ancestors of Jesus Christ.
When Levi was born, less than a year after Simeon, Leah was still struggling to win the affections of Jacob. They named her third son Levi, saying, "This time my husband will become attached to me, for I have borne him three sons." Like Simeon, Levi's youth is marked by impetuosity. When their sister Dinah was kidnapped by the prince of Shechem, the two brothers slaughtered the men of the city, ignoring the fact that Dinah's other brothers had already condemned the recent also. Jacob scolded the reckless behavior, saying, "You have brought trouble upon me, making me odious among the land's inhabitants. I am few in number, and should they band together and attack me, I will be annihilated. I and my household," Simeon and Levi, however, challenged their father, demanding, "Should he treat our sister like a harlot?" While the Torah notes to further incidents involving Levi, he still is rebuked. Together with Simeon, when Jacob, on his deathbed, offers his sons blessings that reflect their personalities and their future. Simeon and Levi are brothers. Instruments of cruelty are their swords. In their secret counsel let my soul not come, and may honor not to be included in their congregation. For in their anger they killed a man, and deliberately crippled an ox. Curse in their anger, for it is powerful, and their age, for it is callous. I shall separate them with Jacob, and disperse with among Israel. The descendants of Levi, the Kohanim and Levites, serve in the temple, act as rabbis, teachers, and under no territory in lands of Israel. With their ancestors, combination of zealotry and a passion for God, it is any wonder that the Chanukah uprising against Hellenism was led by the Maccabees, a family of Kohanim. I am Mary Grace Didales.
I am Justin Malbrook. And I am Zoe Rose B. Bakaran from Section N. That was all about the Levi's life.